guys, so we're actually trying to fix the gutters. Yeah, because it's actually a rainy season, and no, since we have problem to do with water, we are like trying to fix this. Let me show you, like the one we just fixed here. So you see this one here, all the way from that point to this point. And let's see, this is actually rainwater. It's actually full tank. Yeah, so that's actually what we are also trying to do on the other side of the house, this side here. So we like just use these pipes, we split them into two parts. This is actually the first portion and the second portion. So you see, when it rains, all water will be gathered here. Yeah, this is actually the easiest way for us to harvest rainwater, you know. The easiest way. Because when it actually rains, a lot of water pours down and it's actually a loss. Since we need water, this is actually the best way to do it. So we're actually trying to fix the first one, you see. Yeah, so when it rains, all water gathers here and it flows. So this point has actually been raised and this point is actually lowered. So water flows from that and all the way to this side. Initially we had used these ones here, but they didn't serve as well, you see. This one here, this small pipe. Let's remove this one. Like this one was very small and it collected little amount of water. Even some of the water was pouring down. But these ones here, the one that we are using right now, they are like very huge. They are very huge. Songesha huku. Huko ni juu, maji yanaenda huko. Huko nimetengeneza hii ya mwagika huko na yale. So you see, the thing here is that this side is actually high. So this water cannot flow from this point all the way to this point. So what we do, we actually want to raise here. On this side we raise the pipe, then we lower it on this other end here. So even the other side has been raised, then this point is being lowered so that all the water flows from that point up to here. It flows down here and all the way from that point to this point, then all the water is collected from here. Yeah, so that's basically what we want to do as at now. Ooh. Yeah, stay tuned.
Paswata. Imetoka. What? Hii ni tage. Hii ni tage hizo.
So we use the nails, then we use this wire to tie them tightly.
The two sides will be independent. Yes.
This one collects water on its own.
Yes.
And even this one here collects water on its own. But the meeting point is here. So you see, like here, we just use this wire to tie it tightly, very, very tightly. Yeah. So when it rains heavily, we collect a lot of water.
These grasses, we have to cut them. We have to cut them in order to find that level. But then it will not work. The rest of modification will be done later on.
But hapa iko juu. Hapa iko juu na pale iko chini. Guys, this side is actually higher than that side. But what we are trying to do is that we want water to flow from that side to this side. So this side is a little bit high, meaning that we have to look for a way that this point here will actually be higher than this one here.
Yeah. The rain is coming.
You know, it has just rained a few minutes ago. Yeah, you can even see here we have water. And right now we have clouds. We still have the clouds. It seems like it's going to rain again. I'm not sure though, but that's what we are expecting as at now. So let's try to fix these things before it rains.
Don't push it. Just like this.
Maitabidi hapa tuweke kitu iinue juu.
Finding one. Oh, yes. That place. Full place. That's one. So can we try?
Yeah, maybe so. Guys want to try and see if it works. So you're going to use this water here. This is the direction of flow of water. So you can see on this side it's flowing all the way.
Yeah, the side too.
But you can see on this side it's also flowing on this side. Yeah. Meaning that we have to raise this point here.
Yeah, to raise that point.
We have to raise this point. We have to raise it so that water doesn't flow from that side to this side. It flows from this side all the way to that side.
Oh, yeah, it's possible. It's the other side. Look.
Guys, so the thing here is that it's flowing on both sides. Some of the water is going to the other point and some is flowing to this other point.
Is there any problem, Mama?
So we are thinking that we can just leave it that way.
One container, this blue container, can be there, and the other one here. And then the smaller ones, we shall not have.
Okay.
Guys, it's still okay. We can just leave it that way. You know, at first we were thinking that we can let it flow in one direction, this way. But we just find out that it's even possible for it to flow on both sides, this way and this way. It's still okay. Guys, it's like it's going to rain. Look at the clouds. It's going to rain.
The face of it. Sitting. Does it look beautiful?
It's okay. Guys, you can see the dark clouds. So the thing is that this point here, which is almost the middle, this point is higher than that point and that point. That's why some of the water flows that way, some of the water flows this direction. But this one here, it's okay. It will just flow on this direction.
Okay. Just want to add a little light here.
Look at what you were using at first. The iron sheets. The rain is coming, guys. It has just rained some few minutes ago, but again it's going to rain according to things. According to what I can see. Look at the clouds.
I don't want it to be moving. Let me find some. This bandit to remain stationary.
Huwa zinaitwa gata. Kama ndio nimesema jina yangu. Guys, the good thing with these gutters is that they really collect a lot of water. You can see here we have this one. From this side, it has started on that side all the way to this side. Imagine this tank is actually a 2,000 liter tank, but it is full. It is full of water. Full. Yeah, and this is actually a lot of water. It's going to rain in some few minutes to come. Our dogs are afraid of rain. Guys, it's actually already raining. It's already raining. You know, here we like have problems to do with water, so that's why we are trying as much as possible to fix this. It's already raining. It's raining. So we like have this one here. This one will be on this side, then we'll have another one on that side. It's raining on me right now. I don't know if this one is tight. Yeah, I think it's okay.
Rigid.
Yeah, it's tight. It's tight. It's tight enough.
The water was too much.
You know, if it's not tight and it rains heavily, it will be actually a problem, because if it collects a lot of water and it's not tight, it can even fall off. Yeah, so that's why we like have to ensure that it's like very, very tight. Very, very tight. It's still raining, but small, only the rushes. but it's gonna be raining right now. In a few minutes time, it's gonna be raining heavily. So we have this tank will be this one collects water from the gutters on this side, because it's big. So we just use all the gutters. We will collect water on this tank, then we'll take this one here and place it on this side. Yeah, we'll have to place it on this side, one at this end, then another one I think will be collecting water from both this one and here, you see. Yeah, on this side. Village life, living off grid, guys. Actually, this is actually Majongani village. For those who are meeting me for the very first time, this is one of the most interior villages here in coastal parts of Kenya, Africa. It's actually called Majongani village. It's a very remote one, you can see. Very, very remote from the look of things. It's very, very remote. Yeah, and I actually go by the name Junior Ikens. For those who are meeting me for the very first time.
We had a very big tank. Let's say 10,000 liters.
10,000 liters. It could have been much better, because when it rains heavily and all the tanks are like full, the tank is full and also that one is full, we like just lose a lot of water.
We shall lose a lot of water.
Yeah, we waste a lot of water. But if we had a 10,000 liter tank, or even a 5,000 liter tank, let's say 2 of them,
that would really help us.
yeah, because the 2,000 liter tank, when it's full, the water usually sustain us for a very long time.
Yeah, for 3 weeks.
For 3 weeks, yeah. Imagine. So let's say we have a 10,000.
10,000, that is that can take us 3 months.
3 months.
Just for household.
Yeah, when we use it wisely. So we are trying to tie this one tight. On this side, I don't know, yeah, on this side it's also possible to put the gutters. It's possible. We can place one here, but not today. It's possible, one on this side.
Is rotten.
The wood has actually rotten, so it's difficult to tie the wire. Guys, I think we are done. I think we are done. We're actually remaining with this side and the other side of the house, but we are not going to be doing them right now, maybe later on. Guys, it's raining though not that heavy. It has even just reduced right now. Look at what I'm wearing. So you see here, water pours on this side, and again this one, water pours from this side, this one here. Also, what I've just noticed is that the amount of water going on this side it's a lot than the one going on that side, because the point at which this is raised, it's here, and the distance from here to there is longer than here to here. So much water is collected and flows on that side compared to this side. Yeah, you see, this is what I was telling you. Now water is flowing. When it rains heavily, meaning that we'll collect a lot of water. Yeah, I like have to clean my lens. So you see, but it's not even raining heavily. It's not raining heavily, but that's it. The more it rains heavily, the more water collected increases. So look at the technique here. They just made a hole. No, the technique here is fine. They just made a hole so the water trickles all the way. You see? And here we like had a leakage. We had a leakage, not even a leakage. This point has been joined to this other, and we collect water here, living off grid.